Hey there and welcome back to our channel. So if you are looking to gain followers on TikTok fast, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tried and tested tips and tricks that can help you grow your TikTok following quickly. So without further ado, let's get started. But before get started, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So the first step is to define your niche and stick to it. Okay, so first of all we have to open up the TikTok here, and then the first step is to gaining followers on TikTok is to define your niche. It's important to identify the content that you want to create and the audience you want to target. Once you have figured out your niche, create content that's catered to that specific audience. The more you focus on a particular niche, the more likely you are to attract followers who are interested in that specific content. So for example, if we look at this account here, and if you open up this account here, the content that you will see on this account is all about sports. And in sports, if you go more specific, you will see cricket. Now all the followers that are following this account right now are interested in sports. Okay, so if this person uploads content other than sports, this account will not get views, and when they will not get views, their account will not grow. So this is the niche that I am talking to you. Okay, that you have to select a niche on your TikTok, whether it's sports, entertainment, tutorials. Like you have to define your niche, and then you have to stick to it. And the second step is use trending hashtags. Hashtags are a powerful tool for getting discovered on TikTok. Make sure to use relevant and trending hashtags in your posts. This will increase the visibility of your content, making it more likely to new followers to discover your profile. So how you can actually like add trending hashtags. So if I go into my profile here, and I will open up one of my drafts video here. Let's open up this one here, or we can just open up like this one here. Okay, and when if we go into the next option here, and now here you can basically describe your post and add hashtags. Okay, so you have to enter these three hashtags first, which is for you, then for you page, then FYP. So you must have to enter these hashtags. Okay, because what this will do, this will actually push your videos into the for you page, and if your videos are going to the for you page, then this is a good thing for your account. You will get more views. Okay, so let's suppose that my content is about cricket here, so I will now enter the hashtags relevant to my content. So I will enter here like cricket videos, and it will give me some suggestions. So here you can see that we have multiple cricket videos hashtags here, and next we have the views. Okay, so we will not use any hashtag that is very popular, because if our account is new, then it is very difficult for our account to rank in that specific hashtag. So we will use a slightly unpopular hashtag. So in this case, I think this is the best hashtag that we can use. Okay, so you have to use the trending hashtags, and then you have to use the relevant hashtags according to your niche, or according to the content you post. And the third one is create engaging and creative content. TikTok is all about creativity. The more creative and engaging your content is, the more likely it is to go viral. Use interesting transitions, special effects, and music to make your videos stand out. The key is to create content that is entertaining and shareable. Okay, so if we go back here, and if you go back from here, you will see that now if you look at this video over here, so this includes some kind of transitions and then slow motion and all of this stuff, and the music would be like here you can see there is again a slow motion too. So I'm talking about this one, like create engaging and creative content. So the next step is consistency. Posting constantly is essential for growing your TikTok following. Try to post at least once a day or a few times a week. The more content you post, the more likely you are to attract new followers. Okay, make sure to keep your content fresh and exciting, to keep your audios audience engaged. Okay, so you have to like post 4 to 5 times a week. Okay, don't do this like if you only post on weekends. At least post one video daily, so there will be like 7 videos in a week. And then engage with your followers. Engaging with your followers is crucial for building a loyal fan base. Respond to comments, follow back your followers, and create content based on their feedback. This will show your followers that you value their support and can help you build a strong community. Then you can use paid promotion. If you are serious about growing your TikTok following quickly, consider using paid promotion. TikTok offers a variety of advertising options, including in-feed ads, brand takeovers, and hashtag challenges. These can be effective in reaching new audience and growing your follower. And the next step that you can do is that it is a very popular step, which is collaborate with other TikTokers. Collaborating with other TikTokers is a great way to get your content in front of new audience. Find other creators in your niche and collaborate on videos together. This will help you tap into their audience and gain new followers. Okay, so you have to collaborate that are like very not so much popular on TikTok, but they have a very good fan base. Then you can actually collaborate with them and create content, and you will get more new followers. And the last step that you can use, that you have to use like trending sounds in your TikToks. Okay, so if you are scrolling through the feed here, what you have to do basically, you just have to check that which sound is repeating again and again, and the reason if that sound is repeating again and again, which means that this is a trending song, and you have to make TikToks on that trending song, and this will also boost your video to the For You page, and then you will get more followers. So that's it. These are some of the tips and tricks that can help you gain followers on TikTok fast. Remember, growing your following takes time and effort, so be patient and stay consistent. Focus on creating engaging content, using relevant hashtags, and engaging with your followers. With the right strategy, you can quickly grow on your TikTok following and become a TikTok sensation. Good luck. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you in the next one.